I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Gina Mastantuono. She is the CFO at ServiceNow. Gina, it is wonderful to have you here on the floor. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you so much, Judy. It's so great to be here.
So, Gina, you were just up on the bell podium, rang the opening bell to celebrate the 10th listing anniversary of ServiceNow.
Yes.
Wonderful anniversary to celebrate. So now tell me, how has the company changed in the past 10 years?
Oh my goodness. It's been just an incredible 10-year run, really. But at the center of what we do, it's all about digital transformation. And it's more important than ever before. But if I think about and think back to where we've come from over these past 10 years, we were about 200 million in revenue when we IPO'd. Fast forward to 2022 and our guidance is at 7 billion. Pretty incredible. Mm-hmm. And I also just found out today that actually the returns in the stock market for ServiceNow have been 10 times the S&P 500 in those 10 years. And so when we IPO'd, it was 2 billion. Yesterday we crossed 100 billion. So just pretty incredible transformation.
Yes.
In that 10-year period.
Oh wow, amazing milestones in the past 10 years.
Thank you, yes.
So Gina, tell me, in the wake of tech earnings, what are the prospects for the market and for ServiceNow?
Oh my goodness. Well, how we think about it and how we see it is that the digital transformation tailwinds are much stronger than the macro headwinds. And so technology is an all-weather opportunity for companies to really think about how they can drive productivity, efficiency, cost savings, as well as grow their top line. And so really excited about the opportunities in front of us, more so today than ever before.
Now Gina, what's changed for the role of a CFO in the past 10 years?
So much, Judy, if you think about it. No longer are we able to just be strong finance leaders. We really have to be business leaders, serving as that strategic advisor across the C-suite. And so I think about it a lot. The relationships between my peers is more important than ever. Talent, more important than ever. So it's not just about the numbers anymore. It's really about that cross-sectional breadth of exposure. And actually, one of the things that I do in my role as CFO is I own the strategy for ESG for the company globally. And so the role of the CFO has really evolved over time. No longer can you just be a subject matter expert in finance, but you really need to see around the corner and think much more holistically about the business top to bottom.
All right, so in your ESG role, tell me, how can the technology industry help the world transition to net zero?
Oh my goodness, technology is at the center of everything. And the thing about ESG and sustainability and net zero is that the information and the data is so cross-functional across the organization. It's very siloed in many different systems. So technology can help bring it all together and report it accurately, really ensure that people are on their way towards their goals, because what you measure gets counted.
All right, well Gina, wonderful to talk with you.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thank you so much, Judy.